In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Upstox to TradingView. While a direct, official login to your Upstox account from the TradingView website's trading panel isn't supported right now, you still have two solid ways to get the TradingView experience alongside your Upstox trading. First, if you prefer staying inside the standard Upstox terminal, you can switch the charting library from Chartique to TradingView. This doesn't link the two platforms at the account level, but it does give you TradingView's look, tools, and studies right inside Upstox. To do this, log into your account at upstox.com and open any stock chart. On the extreme right side of the charting area, you'll see a chart icon that lets you toggle between TradingView and Chartique. Select TradingView and your chart will refresh with the familiar interface, including drawing tools and indicators many traders rely on. You'll still place orders through the Upstox order panel as usual, but you'll analyze and plan using TradingView. Style charts. If you ever want to switch back, just use the same icon to toggle again. Now for advanced users who want automation, here is a second option using webhooks and a third-party bridge. While this isn't a direct link to the TradingView trading panel, it allows TradingView alerts to trigger actions in Upstox through a bridge service, such as Alga Delta. The general idea is simple. Connect your Upstox account to the bridge platform so it can receive and relay instructions. Then copy the webhook URL provided by the bridge. In TradingView, paste that URL into your alert settings. From there, alerts you set up in TradingView can be forwarded to the bridge, which then communicates with Upstox on your behalf. This route is geared toward users comfortable with automation and third-party tools. Always review the bridge provider's documentation, understand costs and permissions, and ensure it aligns with your risk management and compliance needs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.